Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lisa's Cuisine Culture, Assamese food and many more. Today is 25 June and we are celebrating the 4th day of Ambavasi Mela. The Ambavasi Mela is an annual Hindu Mela held at the Kamakya temple. Monks and devotees are come to visit Ma Kamakya temple in this time of Ambavasi Mela. Today I am going to tell about the cuisine of Assamese people during this Ambavasi Mela. People choose fasting for religious purpose. People can eat fruits as it is monsoon season. Fruits are available here. They can take pulses with fruits. Pulses are the most important prasad of Assamese people. Assamese people take sagu for fasting. As we all know that it have to be get wet in water for 4 to 5 hours and get up it in a basket and it is swelled up. Some Assamese people use foolish rice in fasting. This rice need not cook. I use 2 cups of foolish rice and with 2 glasses of water. Let wet it for 4 hours and cover it. After 4 hours, it is swelled up. Wash it for 2 to 3 times and get up in a bamboo basket. And it is ready for serve. At first I show the sagudana and then the foolish rice. Assamese people called it kumal saul or called it boka saul. We can use jaggery and sugar. Some people like to use milk and some are curd. I use curd for serve. So this is the Assamese culture during the Ambavasi Mela of Assamese people.